G'day, welcome back on the Morris Minor here today. Just tidying up the good side of the car, the driver's side. Not too much in the way of rust over here, so as you've seen, I've just been grinding away all the surface of the metal. Now we're going to seal it, convert any remaining rust, and we're going to be using this stuff from Supercheap Auto, Rust Prime Converter and Sealer. This converts any remaining rust into a kind of inert black substance which you can prime over. So going to be using it on all the hidden sections here, so all these kind of enclosed spaces. We're going to give it a good dab of this, and that should fix it up. This has lasted 60 odd years as it is, so some of this, some paint, some wax oil or fish oil, and we should be good to go. So hook into it. Right, let's get to painting. There we are, that's the rust converter and sealer on and dry, or drying, pretty much dry. It's left that nice black kind of finish, looks pretty good. That's our base for primer, so I'll get on and sort that out, but yeah, just wanted that protected. This is an unseen part of the car, so yeah, we just need it protected, sealed, painted, etc., so it's not going to rust through there. It lasted 60 odd years as it was with no real rust, so some modern paint should do the job. So I've done that bit. I also kind of cracked on and done the base of the engine there. That's all nice and solid, so that'll end up primed and painted. I'm just going to keep clearing stuff out. But yeah, there we go. Looking forward to your comments, telling me I'm doing it wrong, using the wrong product, etc. It is what it is. It's what I'm doing. Get over it, and yeah. We'll see you for the next one. Cheers.